Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Iif Satya Arifah. You can call me Iif. Here in my opportunity, I will describe about Charlie Dickens. Charlie Dickens was born in Lamport, Portsmouth on 7 February 1812. Carlos is second child from 8 siblings, who was born to the couple John Dickens, a clerk at the Navy Financial Office, and his wife Elizabeth Dickens. In 1814, the Dickens family moved to London, and 2 years later to Cotton Kent, where Dickens spent his childhood. Because of financial difficulties, they live in Camden Town, a settlement of the poor. The most decisive period in the life of Dickens when he was 2 years old, and his father, who had difficulty in managing family finances and was caught in debt. Third, to Marshall C. Pearson in 1824. Therefore, the Dickens TRPP resigned from attending school and working in a shooting venture to help his family. The experience brings a deep psychological and sociological impact. The experience that introduced it to poverty makes him the most vocal and most influential person among the workers in his day. After a few months, his father was released from prison, and Carlos was allowed to go back to school. At the age of 15 years old, he completed his education and worked as a man in a lawyer office, while in the evening he learned stenography. Starting in 1830, Carlos worked as a reporter, which included news in the Court Building and in the Parliament Building. After that, in 1833, Carlos began subtiming short stories and essays periodically. A Dinner at Popular Walk was his first published work and appeared in the Monthly Magazine in December 1833. In 1834, still as a newspaper reporter, he began to use the pen name which would later become famous, Boz. Carlos's first book, titled Sketches, is a collection of stories that he wrote using the name pen Boz and published in 1836. In the same year, he married Catherine Hawkworth, the daughter of a newspaper editor, Evening Chronicle. From this marriage, they were encouraged 10 children. Although the main profession is a novelist, Carlos still continues his journalistic work until the end of his life. The Pasman Papers of the Pickwick Club, published periodically from April 1836 to November 1837. Pickwick became one of his famous popular works at the time, and remained famous after being published in the form of book in 1837. After success with Pickwick, Carlos finally became a retail novelist, producing a more complex work in amazing period of time, like Oliver Twist, Nicholas Nickleby, The Old Kirsty Shop, Barnaby Rudge, and half of Master Humphrey Clark. Then, all the works were published in a monthly format before finally being opened in 1842. Dickens and his wife traveled to the United States and Canada. This trip also gave to the controversial works entitled Martin Chuzzlewit. After that, there was a Christmas Carol, The Chimes, The Cricket on the Hearth, The Battle of Life, and The Hunted Man. In the following year, the health of Dickens weakened and became worse because he continued to read the books in a large amount.